Craving for fresh, creamy soya milk made right at home? You are in the right place. Today, we'll be diving into learning the easiest method of how to make soya milk from soya beans. This is the easiest and most delicious way to turn simple soya beans into a nutritious soya milk. So stick around for the ultimate soya milk recipe that is affordable, healthy, and satisfying. So let's get started. Here I have my soya beans that I've already cleaned behind the camera and soaked overnight. So I will be straining the overnight water from it with the help of a sieve. Then go ahead to rinse it about 2 to 3 times so that there will be no odor found in our soya milk. Please note it's so important for you to clean your soya beans before soaking them overnight because some soya beans used to come with a lot of dust and small stones. And after rinsing it about 2 to 3 times and it has become clean, I add little water to it and begin to peel off the skin from the soya beans. So I'll be doing this by rubbing the beans on my both palms. In this way, the skin come off from it. And after peeling the skin, I'll be adding more water to it. This will help for the easy separation of the skin from the beans. So to do this, I'll be needing extra bowl and a sieve. And next, I'll be draining the water into the strainer. In this way, the skin gradually separates from the beans. And after straining it, I'll be adding the water back to the soya beans and repeat the same process until the soya beans becomes clean. And after separating the skin from the beans, here is the chaff that we got from the beans, and also our soya beans has become clean. And now that our soya beans has become clean, next we go ahead and begin to blend. So I'll be adding some of it to a blender, add little water, cover and blend smoothly. And after blending the soya beans and it has become smooth, transfer into a cheesecloth to squeeze out the milk from it. And after transferring the blended soya beans into the cheesecloth, I wrap the cheesecloth together and begin to squeeze out the milk from it. So I will squeeze vigorously to get all the milk out from it. And after squeezing out the milk from it, here's the chaff we got from it. I'll set it aside and repeat the same process with the remaining ones. And once I'm done with it, this is the chaff I got from it and also our soya milk. And next I'll be transferring it into a cooking pot and begin to cook. So I'm going to be cooking it on a medium heat and stir at intervals so that it doesn't overpour. As you can see from the video, the soya beans has boiled and wants to overpour. So what I'll do is to stir vigorously so that it doesn't overpour. As you can see, as I stir, the soya milk that wants to overpour has reduced. So I'll go ahead, continue to cook and put an eye on it so that it doesn't overpour. And after stirring it, leave and allow to cook until you stop perceiving the freshness of the soya beans. So as the soya beans is cooking, I'll go ahead and cook the flavor that I'll be using. For my flavor, I'll be using cinema stick. So I'll add it to a boiling water and allow to cook for about 10 minutes. And after cooking for some time, you will notice a clotting on top of it, which means our soya milk is almost ready. So at this stage, I'll allow to cook for 10 more minutes, then remove from the heat and allow to cool down completely. Once it's completely cool, remove the clotting from it gently. Please do not discard the chaff we got from the soya beans, as we'll be using this for another delicious recipe. Please stay tuned and watch out. Once this is done, we go ahead to sieve our soya milk. So I'll be placing a strainer over a bowl. Transfer the soya milk into the strainer to sieve the soya milk. Please, if this is your first time of seeing my videos, I want to say thank you so much for clicking to watch. Kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell as I have more great videos for you. And after sieving it, this is the chaff we got from it. I'm going to discard it, and next I'll be adding 1 cup of cinnamon flavor. I also added to it 5 tablespoons of sugar and stir together. Feel free to use any flavor or sweetener of your choice. In this video, my visual hug goes to Angela Helen Ogenakewe Oyiso and also to So Maman. I'm glad you all love the recipe. If you want me to give you a visual hug in my next video, kindly let me know in my comment section. I'd also like to give a special shout out to all my wonderful family out there. I want to say thank you so much. I appreciate you. And after mixing the soya milk with sweetener and flavor, transfer into a collective container. Soya milk can be enjoyed either cold or not. Please, if you find this video very helpful, don't forget to click on the like button, comment and share with your loved ones. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.